Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today we're going to make cornbread. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 cup of flour, a cup of half and half or whole milk, a half cup of butter, a half cup of sugar, 1 1/4 cups of cornmeal, 1 egg, a half teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of baking powder. We'll start by preheating our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and melting our butter in the microwave. Once we've melted our butter for about 1.5 minutes in the microwave, we'll whisk it to finish the melting process. Then we'll add in our cup of half and half or whole milk and our egg, and whisk those until combined. After which, we'll add our flour, sugar, cornmeal, salt, and baking powder all at once, and whisk until a thick batter forms. After that, we'll grease an 8-inch 2-quart baking dish and transfer the batter into the dish, smoothing with a spatula. Once our oven has finished preheating, we'll place in our cornbread and allow it to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. It's been 35 minutes and our cornbread should be just about done. We're going to open the oven and do a quick toothpick test to make sure the toothpick comes out clean. It did, so our cornbread is done. We'll let this cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing it. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.